Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Talgan and today I'm going to show you this awesome art material that I found. It is a graphite stick that is water soluble. What this means is that you can draw with this stick and then take a paintbrush that has water in it and go over your graphite drawing wherever you'd like to make it more of a watercolor effect. And then it will dissolve the graphite and treat it like a watercolor paint. Essentially, you could draw a complete drawing with this stick and then go over it with the watercolor brush, and you would then end up with like a monochromatic watercolor drawing. And if there's some areas where you've got some of the wet graphite where you don't want it, you can just take a paintbrush, dip it in clear water, and lift the graphite out, like I'm doing here. After your graphite has dried, you can then go back over it if you want to make areas darker and more pronounced or more detailed, or you could just leave it alone. It's up to you, however you'd like to. If you'd like to add color to your graphite drawing, you can add that with watercolor paint. Just be sure that you start your graphite drawing on watercolor paper, as this will help with the watercolor effect. It'll also be a stronger paper, which will absorb the water better. When you're adding color next to the graphite, you can actually blend the two together and it will create those instant shadows as long as you had those drawn in before you started painting. So I'm going to show you sort of a real painting situation where you would use this technique. Now I'm drawing over the watercolor. If you chose to do your drawing first in graphite and then added like a whole bunch of layers of watercolor over it later on, your graphite drawing may disappear. So the water-soluble graphite is a great way to add shadows or to even create a really cool vintage look to your watercolor paintings. Water-soluble graphite is also available in pencil format by Faber-Castell. You may find a pencil easier to draw with. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.